DxO Labs presents DxO ViewPoint, the ideal companion to your wide-angle lens. Have you ever noticed on some photos taken with a wide-angle lens how the shapes of subjects tend to be distorted? Particularly along the edges of the image, bodies appear bloated and faces are stretched out. This phenomenon is known as volume deformation. Let's take a look at this image, for example. This photo was taken with a 14mm lens. The elements along the outer edge of the image, such as the arm, shoulders, and head of the young woman, appear disproportionately enlarged. By clicking on the right-hand icon in DxO ViewPoint's Volume Deformation palette, you can automatically compensate for the deformation caused by the wide-angle lens. You can also fine-tune the correction by using the intensity slider. Here is another example of volume deformation. This photo was taken with a 12mm lens. Because of the focal length, the subject on the edge of the frame appears far too wide, with unattractive proportions. You can correct this deformation by clicking on the left-hand icon in the Volume Deformation palette. DxO ViewPoint instantly restores a natural look to this young woman's silhouette. We chose a cylindrical correction here to keep the horizontal lines straight. You can adjust the values of this correction along the horizontal axis to get the most natural result possible. Here, we have set our horizontal slider to 120. Thanks to DxO ViewPoint, you can easily restore the natural proportions of your images when using a wide-angle lens. DxO ViewPoint, the ideal companion to your wide-angle lens.